Hello everyone. So this is our course about simple present and we're gonna take a look in here, a short tour about this. We're gonna have divided here in 4 parts. As we can see, the home, which actually is the first part that we always see in a platform. Now we're gonna see the next part about our course. Our course is gonna have 2 parts, the daily routines in first person and the verbs with the third person rules. This is for 3rd grade. So now we're gonna see here about the daily routine, the first part. You're gonna have the learning guide. You can see what is the topic about. You're gonna have exercises, videos, everything that is going to help you to get in touch with the knowledge, with all of the topics. As you see, and finally you're gonna have an assessment. Now the second part is about the verbs in the third person rules, and that's when we finish the course. There is another learning guide in here, the second part, the explanation, the videos, the games, all the interactive activities that you're gonna use for your learning about this topic. Now, in the last part of here the platform, we can see there is something called grades and Zoom meetings. Well, the grades are going to be in here once the students finishes all the activities. And right here we have the Zoom meetings, we have the link with the teacher, and also we have in here the email to get in touch with her in case you have any doubts or any suggestions, anything that you need to know. You can contact your teacher with this email. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed your course and learned a lot.